I didn't save $10,000 by earning more. I saved it by finally noticing something uncomfortable. Most people think saving money is about discipline, willpower, saying no to coffee. That's not what this is about. Because if discipline worked, most people wouldn't be broke. Here's the truth nobody likes to say out loud. Money doesn't disappear. It leaks. Quietly. Predictably. Every single day. And once I saw where it was leaking from, the math got ugly fast. 30 days, same income, same lifestyle. $10,000 stayed in my account. Let me show you how that actually happened. Right now, this topic matters more than ever. Prices are sticky, salaries aren't moving, debt is cheap until it suddenly isn't. And most people are running last year's financial playbook in a completely different economy. The problem isn't spending too much once, it's spending a little repeatedly on autopilot. So I ran an experiment. For 30 days, I didn't budget. I didn't cut everything. I didn't live like a monk. I tracked one thing only. Decisions. Every time money left my account, I asked a simple question. Was this an active choice or a default? That's it. No spreadsheets at first, no apps, just awareness. Within 3 days, a pattern showed up. Subscriptions I hadn't used in months. Fees I never noticed. Convenience costs disguised as time savers. Individually, they looked harmless. Together, they were violent. Here's the uncomfortable math. 5 small expenses a day, $10 to $20 each. Food delivery, rides, add-ons, just this once purchases. That's $50 to $100 a day. Over 30 days, that's $1,500 to $3,000 gone without a single big purchase. Now scale that to decisions that happen weekly. Upgrades, late fees, interest, impulse deals timed perfectly around payday. Money leaving not because you chose to spend, but because the system nudged you. That's the trick. Not a hack, not a secret, just friction. I added friction to spending and removed friction from saving. Every purchase over a set amount required a delay. Not permission, time. I moved money out of my main account the moment income landed. Not to invest, not to lock it away, just out of sight. The irony is quiet but brutal. What you don't see, you don't spend. Meanwhile, hype tells you saving is about sacrifice. Cancel everything, grind harder, hustle more. Reality is less traumatic and more effective. Most money is lost in the gaps between decisions, not the decisions themselves. By week 2, something strange happened. I wasn't trying to save anymore. Spending just slowed down on its own. Not because I was better, because the environment changed. By day 30, the number shocked me. $10,000 hadn't appeared, it simply hadn't escaped. Zoom out, and this gets darker. Entire industries are built on default behavior. They don't need you to be reckless, they just need you to be busy. Busy people don't check statements. Busy people accept small charges. Busy people confuse convenience with value. And the risk isn't just losing money, it's losing control without realizing when it happened. So, here's the real question. If money is mostly lost through systems you didn't design, why do we keep blaming individuals for outcomes they barely control? And more importantly, what else in your financial life is running on autopilot right now? Because once you see the leak, you can't unsee it.